The United World Congress of Diplomats has underscored the need to adhere to the rule of law to avoid interference in the nation's judicial system. The Secretary-General of the UN-WCD, Ambassador Tunji Ashaolu, disclosed this in Abuja at the news conference with the theme, Political Interference by Judicial Officers in Nigeria, a Call for Caution. The conference was organized by the UN-WCD in collaboration with the International Institute of Experts on Political Economy and Administration.
We have received reports from some states in Nigeria, such as Rivers State, the undue interference of judicial workers, especially judges, on political issues, where conflicting orders were issued by judges just to frustrate democracy. In Osun State, there was also a conflict state high court order and appeal court judgment over the dissolutions of local government council chairmen and their restatement and a fresh election by the state electoral empire. The most recent ones, and even worrisome of all, is the political interference by Benue State Chief Judge, Justice Maurice Ipambese, when he tried to undermine justice by granting waiver to petitioners of local government election tribunal not to pay security deposits as stipulated by law. This is not well for African democracy. These behaviors are completely against core objective of the African Charter on Democracy, Elections and Governance, which are to promote adherence by each state party to the universal values and principles of democracy.
He urged the National Judicial Council to constitute investigative panel to unravel resolution passed by the Benue legislative arm of government for the removal of the Chief Judge from office.
In light of this critical development, it is imperative that all stakeholders involved uphold the principle of transparency, accountability, and respect for the rule of law. The integrity of the judiciary must be preserved through fair and impartial investigations, decisive actions against misconduct, and responsible for governance practices. We can assure you that we will continue to monitor the situation closely and advocate the ethical governance practices in Nigeria and even beyond.
He restated that the UN-WCD, in collaboration with the IIEPEA, will remain committed to promoting ethical governance, legal compliance, and institutional integrity in the country.